In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Inkscape for logo design. We'll walk through a clean, beginner-friendly workflow, setting up your document, importing a sketch, tracing it into crisp vector shapes, styling with fills and gradients, and finally exporting professional files you can use anywhere. Start by launching Inkscape on your desktop. Give the interface a moment to load, and make sure your panels like layers and fill and stroke are visible, since we'll use them throughout. Next, open an existing document or create a new one. If you're starting fresh, pick a canvas size that matches your typical use, like a square layout for social profiles. Logos are vector-based, so size isn't permanent, but working at a comfortable scale makes editing easier. If you've sketched ideas on paper or a tablet, import that hand-drawn reference. Go to File, then choose Import, and select your image. Place it roughly in the center of the canvas. In the Layers panel, reduce the opacity of that sketch so it fades into the background. This makes it easier to see your clean vector lines as you trace. Now trace your sketch into precise shapes. Use the pen or Bezier tool. Click once to create corners, and click and drag to create smooth curves that hug your sketch. Don't worry about perfection on the first pass. Focus on capturing the overall form. You can refine by adjusting nodes afterward. Keep separate parts of the logo as separate shapes so you can style them independently later. With your shapes in place, move to styling. Open Fill and Stroke. Add a solid fill to your shapes or letters, then fine-tune the stroke if you need an outline, adjusting color, width, and join settings for crisp edges. If your logo is type-based, keep strokes consistent and watch spacing for balance. To add depth, apply gradients. Press G for the gradient tool, then drag across a shape to apply a linear gradient or switch to radial for a soft, centered highlight. Use subtle color shifts for a modern, premium look and edit stops in the Fill and Stroke panel so transitions feel smooth and intentional. Less is more. Aim for clarity and contrast that still reads well at small sizes. When your logo is ready, go to File and choose Export. Save an SVG for web use and future editing, a PNG with a transparent background for social media and documents, and a PDF for high-quality printing. For PNGs, check the export size and resolution so the logo stays sharp. That's it. You've taken a sketch to a polished, scalable logo in Inkscape, ready for real-world use.